Tropical update as of 6:30 p.m. PST. Well, Melissa has stopped strengthening. It pushes around 990 free bars as of as a minute of Recon has been looking through it for the last couple hours and has not seen really hardly any strengthening. But once it does so, probably in 24 hours, this thing is gonna absolutely explode. Probably into at least a major hurricane, most likely a Cat 4, maybe 5 as it drifts westward south of Jamaica. It has 55 knot winds. Um, let's look at the latest data. That's 65 miles per hour. Yep. And it's moving north at 2 miles per hour, expected to turn westward. Here's the track. Then northward into Jamaica, midday Tuesday, as I said before, which is based on the models. Then it will make landfall into Cuba on 96 hours, into Lanka on 5-6 days. Intensity models, most of the ones, the NAC is pretty much going with these. I mean, 135 knots, incredible. But there are a lot of data that support lower. I mean, it's possible it may be lower. I mean, we'll have to see. There's quite a bit of room for other scenarios with the system. Of course, here's a picture of it, and it's still under shear. I mean, who knows? Maybe the shear will keep going for the next 24, 36 hours and keep it in check. But I expect sometime in the next 2 or 3 days it will finally get in more favorable conditions and finally become a major hurricane and make landfall in Jamaica, then Cuba. And that's the way I feel. Tropical Depression 18 has formed. 13.2 north, 116.3 west, 3 knot winds. And it's going to move west for the next couple of days at 13 miles per hour, then northwestward, strengthening into a moderate tropical storm. Here's the models for that system. Probably about 45 to 50 knot peak in about 48 hours before weakening. That's what I think. So we'll have to keep watching it. Here's the. Let's see. Let's update this. Yeah, there's 18Z DFS. Really, I mean, you look at these, it doesn't suggest it even near as strong. And you update this. This is a lot stronger. Let's go let's look at 18Z on GFS, 72 hours. This is 60 hours. It still persists on its eastward track at 960 millibars at 60 hours. The CMWF is 956, south of Jamaica. 72 hours, 951. Let's look at the H1. Yeah, north of Jamaica at 72 hours. 60 hours inland over Jamaica. 48 hours. Make a landfall in western Jamaica at 957. I wouldn't be totally surprised if this ends up only being a Cat 3 landfall in Jamaica, which is still pretty powerful, but not the absolute beast. It's possible. It depends on if it can get that corrugator, how the shear interacts with it. Even the HAFS at 48 hours only shows 116 knots. It has really trended down on it. It's still insanely powerful. It almost got 5 at 160. But I'm gonna say something. I doubt it stays that. I doubt it hits that far west. I don't think the wind is gonna be that strong. And I'm starting to favor at least some kind of landfall on Jamaica in the next. I mean, yeah, this thing's definitely not going around Jamaica, in my opinion. So probably sometime Tuesday it's gonna make landfall. Probably within line of these models, which is coming around to the more eastern GFS HMON thinking, and if this does so, it will probably be more like a cap free. Maybe re-strengthening between Jamaica and Cuba, make a landfall, maybe a free in Cuba, and that's possible. But if it stays further south, I mean, it could be a little bit stronger, maybe a 4. We'll have to see how the environment evolves. That's your tropical update.